Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I want to review our new model. This is NERPA 445KD airboat. It is equipped with a fully enclosed cabin, which has heat and sound insulation 30 mm thick. It has an all-aluminum body with a bottom protection made of polyethylene sheets. And most importantly, a 150 horsepower Cummins diesel engine is installed here. The advantages of a diesel engine are long service life, easy low-speed operation, and fuel efficiency. A gasoline engine of the same power consumes twice as much fuel as a diesel one. A small consumption of fuel is not only beneficial financially, but also increases the range of the airboat. That is, you need less fuel to travel the same distance. For any boat, the cruising range is very important. In this case, there are two fuel tanks on the left and on the right, 40 liters each. That is, the total capacity is 80 liters. One of the tanks is a reserve one. It has a pump that pumps fuel into the main tank. Both tanks are equipped with filler necks, caps with locks, and fuel level sensors. The engine is located, if we look, in the lower part of the body, due to the use of a belt drive. The advantages of the belt drive are a low center of gravity because to the low-mounted engine and good reliability. It does not require oil change or any other maintenance. All bearings do not need maintenance either and run until they require replacement. The belt also works for a long service life until it needs to be replaced. The Polychain GT carbon belt of the American manufacturer Gates is installed here, one of the most durable of those that are now produced all over the world. It is a polyurethane belt reinforced with carbon fiber cord. Now about the hull. It has a lower part and a superstructure, that is, a cabin, sides and an engine. The lower part is completely protected from water, both from the top and from the sides. The bow deck, cabin floor and stern are self-draining. That is, if water gets here, for example, the airboat is covered with a wave, water drains away through special holes in the front area and in the cockpit. This provides safety, and the hold works like a buoy. Under normal conditions, water pumping is not required, but emergency pumps are installed in the hold in the case of a hole. Also, as an additional option, we can install emergency balloons in the hold that will act as a buoy in this situation. The airboat is equipped with everything you need: windshield wipers, a door with a lock, heat and noise insulation, a full-fledged instrument panel, and comfortable seats. The mast is equipped with a running light, parking light, and a yellow LED flashing light. There are LED headlights in the front of the body. As an option, we can install headlights on the cabin that act as a work light and illuminate the deck, shore, or engine compartment as needed. The cargo area is located in the bow. It has special eyelets for securing cargo. You can confidently transport up to 200–250 kilograms on it without losing driving performance. At the same time, the cabin comfortably accommodates 4 people. On this model of the airboat, a fender and an electric winch are installed in the front. The winch can be operated both from the cabin and from the remote control. Now about the protection of the bottom. The aluminum body is protected by the polyethylene sheets, which are bolted in place. At the same time, the boat's hull is all welded and completely sealed. For bolting the protective polyethylene lower, special plates are welded. Between the polyethylene protective sheet and the aluminum body, there is a special rubber that is lightweight and does not absorb water. It protects the body from impacts. It does not provide additional comfort when driving on snow, on hummocks and on water, but it protects the body from destruction. For a comfortable ride, the seats installed in the boat are equipped with special spring shock absorbing elements. They are included as standard. As an additional option, gas shock absorbers can be installed under the seats. They provide even greater driving comfort due to the large suspension travel. If anyone has any questions, please call or write in the comments. We will try to answer all questions. We also have a lot of information on our website Xaira.ru. There is a complete list of our models with detailed descriptions. And now I say goodbye to you. Subscribe and see you soon.